Hey guys, this is day one of my sketchbook challenge. Today we will be working on creating a custom color palette and filling a first page in our sketchbook. Okay, so what you need for this particular exercise is anything colorful, let's say on paper or on fabric. So for example, I found this magazine. It was actually free, delivered to my door. Amazing, you know, it's just full of colors, exactly what I need. And I also have a stash of I don't know, old ribbons. I like to go and buy a few, and I do it randomly, but some of them have colors, so it might work, may help us. Or it could be absolutely anything. Sometimes you see, if I receive a parcel and some of them have some nice kind of color pattern inside, I just rip it. I rip it and I collect it because I love sentimental things like that. This one says, oh la la. You never know, could be inspiring for you. Also, you will need scissors and glue, and that's pretty much, and a sketchbook, of course, and this is it. That's okay. So so what are we going to do? So you're going to go through pages of what you found and look for colors, and all you need to do is to cut small swatches of those colors, like I'll show you here, for example. You see, just small pieces. Don't think about the color combinations yet. I don't think it's necessary at all at this point. Just find a few and cut them out and put them aside. That's all you need. You can also cut ribbons or any other materials that you found. Just start doing it, and that's it. Okay, so I think I quite like this page here. So it's got that I don't know, dark brick color and the green, and actually it would be nice to just cut out that let me see, nothing on the other side, so I can be I can do whatever I want. Basically, I'm just gonna cut this out, so quite like that. I also really like this pattern on its own as well. I think that would be a really great addition. So it doesn't have to be just a plain color, it could be pretty much anything. Yeah, I will just cut this as well, and I really like this brick color. I think it's just amazing. Let me cut into it. Okay, again, as I said, it doesn't have to be even a straight line. All we need is color. Yay! Right, so there is something. You don't have to have a finished color palette at any point in time. Just save those and you can use it. You can add to your pool of other cutouts, and you never know, one day there will be just something else enough to finish your color palette. Right, I think I also love this color here. Whatever it is, it looks beautiful, so I like this. I'm gonna have a swatch of this. All right, okay, and maybe a darker color around here as well. Okay, I think that works for me. Okay, all right. So now let's see what we are planning to do. Okay, so I've already prepared a set of colors that I really like, and I think they work well together. I've even put them on a page in a nice kind of more artistic way. Now all I need to do is to glue them, and that's it. Okay, I was just thinking that there is a touch of green missing from that color palette, so all I did, I found a plant. Well, actually that's a bunch of lilies that I have at home, and I was thinking to just add a little bit of green here. So this is what I'm going to do. I hope it's gonna stay in, but this is it. So I would also like to add a name to this color palette. I didn't find a right name at this point, but once you find yours as well, you can just cut it out from the same magazine, just put it in, and it's quite nice because it will make a lot of sense if you name the theme of your color palette, and you can actually individually name every color in this palette as well. So this is it. Okay, so now we have a finished color palette. The next steps would be, I would take a picture of this, load it into my iPad, and then using PROCREATE or any other program of your application of your choice, you can then choose the colors that are presented here and then save it into your color swatches, right? And we can use paper again, fabric, you can even use flowers. Here I've used some of my dry flowers and I love them. I've had a simpler color palette, like you see here, there's less colors, but the approach is the same. I hope this is helpful in some way. Let me know if you want to participate in projects like that in the future, and I will continue filming. Thank you. Bye bye.